Alrighty, so in lieu of it being 2022, this isn't a best of, this is my goals. I gotta tell myself that because I just stopped recording my update. Anyway, this is some goals I have for this year. You know, sorry if I slip up here and there. I'm trying to get it done before snow flies so I can still be on the motorcycle. I don't have too many goals that you guys are probably going to be interested in. My goal is to have this bike paid off, made into a mini bagger with T-bars, riser, fairing, combo, T-bars, same thing pretty much. I hope my goal is to collab with more of you. Hello, nice Mustang. Or nice Corvette guy. My bad. My goal is to collab with more of y'all. I've collabed with Mackinac Rider a lot because he's one of the homies. I've collabed with Bill the Harley guy because he reached out to me and we made it work. Actually, I reached out to him and we made it work. My bad. Details get a little bit fuzzy sometimes, but we here. I will link those videos where I collab with Bill and Mac. I mean, any video damn near is a good chance of having Mackinac Rider in it, but you know, it is what it is. I really plan on getting an Aprilia this year too. I want to get an RSV4 1000RR. There's a 2019 at Fox Power Sports I am very interested in, but I do not have the financial means right this second. I got money. Don't mind me, I got money. Just not the means to comfortably buy this bike yet. You know what I mean? Like, I want to save a few more paychecks between now and then, so I can actually afford it and have some fallback in case a big thing happens with this or the daily, you know? I really hope for the channel, though, that I can get to, like, 500 subscribers. That'd be pretty cool. I highly doubt that for some reason, but it'd be cool as hell to see 500 on my subscriber count. Or even more. I don't know. 500 is a good goal, I feel like. That's only, like, I'm at 179. That's only, like, 321 more, give or take. Yeah, 321 more than what I have now, so it's a solid goal. I mean, I want to have more interaction with people, you know. I like talking to people in the comments. I like seeing comments. It gives me so much joy to actually read those fucking things, especially when they're constructive and not just boo, you suck. Personal goals, I don't have that much, honestly. Like, I already go to the gym, like, gym, bro. Gym muscles. Not really good muscles, but they're gym muscles. They're forming still. Maybe try and cut back on drinking and swearing would be a good one, right? I don't know. Only time will tell. I also have a goal of getting a second camera. A 360 would be nice. Mackinac Rider's already going to get one of those so I can watch how his operates to see if it's worth a damn or not. I would guess it is because it's pretty cool. Woo. No hand on the clutch. That wasn't a clutch fuck up. That was me bombing the rev. But second camera, that stuff, yeah. Anyway, what are your guys' goals for this year, 2022? Is it going to be a beautiful year, or is it going to be a sucky ass year? Hoping it's going to be a beautiful year. I would love to get a lot more riding in. I would love to go a lot more places. I'm trying to go to Pikes Peak at some point too. I don't know if I'm going to have a friend or not, but it's going to happen. The Mackinac Rally is going to happen again too, so if y'all want to meet up there or ride somewhere up there, like, hey, let's meet up Grand Rapids and shoot 131 North or whatever the fuck highway that is north, you know? That's a good way to collab and get some more content in, and also go to an event that's cool. But anyway, yeah, tell me what your goals are for this year. Drop them below. Hopefully you'll visit the like and subscribe button on the way down. Maybe even the notification bell if you're feeling cool. If not, it's okay, you know. I'm pretty lame too, so. I'll catch y'all later. See ya.